Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? So today, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po magbayad ng Pag-ibig Regular Savings via mobile. So hindi na po kailangan maghintay pa ng activation ng inyong virtual Pag-ibig para makapagbayad ng inyong regular savings. Punta lang po kayo ng Google. Type nyo po yung Pag-ibig Fund. Then, dun po kayo sa Pag-ibig Fund services.com. Yan. Then, punta po kayo sa online payment facility. Click nyo po yan. Data privacy, click nyo lang po. Then, proceed. Then, dito, you can pay online ng regular savings nyo po, which is the mandatory contribution. Pwede rin po yung MP2 savings, housing loan, multi-purpose loan, and calamity loan. So, punta po tayo ng regular savings. Click nyo po. Yan. Pay online. So, since OFW po tayo, you can click overseas. Here, you can pay online via your PayMaya account, Visa, MasterCard, and JCB. Then, lagay nyo po yung Pag-ibig MID number. Then, click verify. So, automatic pong lalabas yung member's name. Then, member savings, kung ano po yung gusto nyo. So, let's say 1,000 per month. Period covered from August 2020 till gusto ko po ng December 2021. So, that's 17 months. Yeah. So, lalabas po yung details. So, ang amount due po ay 17,000. Then, may convenience po na 1.75% which goes to the payment gateway. So, ang total po na babayaran natin is 17,297.50. So, you have two options po dito if you want to receive the payment confirmation via SMS or via email. So, I prefer to receive via email. So, I have to put my email address. Nilagay po natin yung code. Okay, next. Yan. So, ito po yung summary. So, lagay po dito yung name natin, email address, period covered, amount due, convenience fee, and the total amount due. So, proceed lang po natin. So, here, we can put the card details. Your first name, last name, card number, expiry date, and the CVV. Ano yung CVV? Yung po yung nakalagay na 3-digit number sa likod ng card nyo. And we can put here the options. So, you can receive your receipt by email or SMS. So, after po nun, makaka-receive na po kayo ng resibo through your email. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.